back stories and the Edamo or the Royal Super 24 TV. No, so information in your baby, you will be ano. You be making sure see the updates no ever bro. We won't say me to contain a be name. Let's just say me go baby yard here. And many news no say Issah Yakubu. Issah Yakubu joining Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Pre-season ebe koso on crying no. Confirmation no enya ba Kotoko a confirm say omo ko Accra nti omo de fly bi abonda ba abonte aeroplane bi da so na omo churu Kumasi to Accra na yesu yehwebu an say one say mawia na mbe break him out say there is this striker Kotoko Efano, which is striker formerly no bo Samates Efano Emmanuel Mama story no creo na top to it and you bring and I mean say kase enye Emmanuel Mama nko yes enye Emmanuel Mama nko there's another striker on also a friend Issah Yakubu made the details thing na be ma osisi about player no baby our border any idea in 1-2-3 minutes pe yes semre e wa hasi e no ya na so am za bit me afra me the blog man but say the iPhone project ni egu so ansa na Ghana Premier League ne be sha say also yes cameras no e pese e call iPhone from 12 echo no into wada my kwan bia obefa so aboa amayensa ka bia we are going to so much appreciate it. Now back to the story in 10 and media video we atum ama on the Royal Super 24 TV no so ohe mfuni no so a Issah Yakubu ene eye bibini no na we know ne coach all start the Malen Derby we na no ya Rwanda the last club or boy no Rwanda Premier League side friend Police FC yes inti we know a Police FC before so people Police FC no wa both team bit to say Dreams FC da and now wa start the Malen the top club we call Malia or Kumasi Asante Kotoko ya say start the Malen wa boss side team da until last season ya no and now on team my friend Police FC for no ewie yes last season ya no the Police FC for no ewie omo papem nti omo papem no na oye free agent say me no ka say no oye free agent a Kotoko ene na di nkomo a me ka say no o join Kumasi Asante Kotoko Accra pre-season no say Kotoko what is obi be join Kotoko pre-season na nya trials bia ene nipa no oba no no ana oye say de aduru de ontimi mu ana say yehu se enye kra na ye be ka say we de omo but obi obe join Kumasi Asante Kotoko pre-season no nkran bia na say this week day ni Kotoko board na confirm say omo be announcement no say omo sign new players ena to say ye be kan ye mbo etirim emeka bibia wa ha o say no ye be ka say there's going to be another departures now by nano pay sorry Prince Badu yeah omunye departures but I drop you omo to the youth side omu decision be by Prince Badu Zakaria Fuseni Emmanuel Ntwede nwanwa ena Johnson Oponwusu and so eka ho Saka Dauda mo omu nyina no eka this particular players yaka to omo say omo nkotena enchen na yenkon kran na omo ntimi nkobi no it is say no officially Kotoko ebi ko na ebi ba Issah Yakubu is the latest striker to have joined.